Hey guys, well, getting started. Oh, here we go. Get on this side for you. All right, we're building the big wall now. Right there, we got a big door going right there in that opening 7 foot. That's gonna be the door for the one bathroom, which is on the other side, which is over here. That'd be this side here. Bathroom, be 5 foot by 8 foot. Then we get another wall right about in here somewhere, another 5 foot by 8 foot bathroom. And this doorway, we get a 2x12 header, obviously. It's bigger than a 7 foot span, so you need 2x12 go across there. With the double jack, because it's over 6 feet, so you need a double jack. And so then we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna put a frame inside of that, in case. And then we'll drywall the one side, and then do our electrical, all that bull crap. But yeah, that'll be there. Then we'll put a fake wall in here in case they ever decide to rent this as a whole unit. We'll just pop that out, and there you have it. All right, I'll give you another update later. Bye.